Hello, and welcome to Employee Attendance Management, alias EAM video tutorials. This tutorial describes how the attention list feature works for quick access to pending requests and tasks that are in progress. Using a manager or the Global Administrator user account, select Attention List on the left menu bar. Any pending requests by employees are displayed in the Pending Employees Requests section. The list is initially sorted by the oldest pending request to the latest pending requests. You can sort the list by any column by clicking the toggle on the field's column header. By selecting a row of a request, it displays the Approval Request dialog, where you can approve or not approve a request. Just below is the list of tasks that are in progress, that you can have a quick view of its progress completion. You can sort the list by any column by clicking the toggle on the field's column header. By selecting a row of a task in progress, will take you directly to that task assignment view. And that's it for this tutorial. Goodbye for now.